Bald eagles are opportunistic, and low tide often reveals new opportunities that can only be seen from the air. Somewhere tucked away in the gnarly oyster beds below hides this bird's meal ticket. The bird knows the fish is close, but it also knows the fish has nowhere to go. All the eagle has to do is find it. Dinosaurs still walk this planet. But other birds know all about the low tide buffet. And this eagle isn't open to sharing. Hunger is a powerful motivator. And this eagle isn't about to give up its meal. The fish worth fighting for isn't an ordinary fish. It's a plainfin midshipman, a deep-sea fish that makes its annual trip to these oyster beds to spawn and carry its species forward. The eagle knows this little fish is packed with golden roe. And that's exactly what this bird is looking for. Its beak is the perfect tool for ripping, tearing, and dissecting this fish until it gets to the roe sacs. There goes one. And the second one goes down with the entire fish.